It's hashtag TriviaTuesday at the Colorado Railroad Museum. This week, our question is, on what date did the first train arrive in Denver, Colorado? Don't know the answer? Follow the link in the description below to find out and learn more about the upcoming Colorado Railroad Heritage Week statewide celebration. Participants are invited to submit their responses as a comment on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, website, or by email at info@crrm.org. Last video, we received 4 correct responses. Our winner is Bradford Payne, who responded on Facebook.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.